Not bad. Hey, you're doing good. Jump out. Did it! Did it! Let's get him out. awesome. Ah. Stop.
What a way to start the season. Although aside from the nose bleeding that I received before the match started when I healed for a few minutes, it was very good. Not bad at all, but I decided to add a few features in there to keep it stand out with the other seasons. So nonetheless, it was nice to reunite an old friend who hasn't been present in the other season, and also make up for it. Although I hope Leo keeps it that way the way he fights like this, because I would love to talk more about it, but I think that's enough. But I think that's enough for now, since we both learned our lesson, since we worked it out and resolved. So hope we enjoyed the first match, even though I fell behind a bit, but I did try my hardest to make a comeback. And before I go though, here are two things that made a return. Cover of the day makes a return, but this time I'm using edited templates to make the covers more unique. So we got the season 1 goats. that were Spectacular, where me and Leo are one of the season 1 fighters appeared in all 6 of them. man, we keep battling to this day. And for Crew Battle Sketch, we have the season 1 me dressed in blue, a call back from Battle 4 season 1, where me facing Neil at the time, back when Neil was totally overpowered until Leo took his thunder. But that was way back in season 1. And that's probably the reason why I wasn't wearing a martial arts shirt in this season, because I wear the casual one just like in season 1, since season 1 is turning 5 now. But anyways, that wraps up for today. Although it's not the end yet, stay tuned because we did another half. Will I redeem myself or Leo's start a winning streak? So one way to find out. And congrats, Leo, you won this one. Anyways, Collision Fighters out.